Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Kusumir. Today we are going to discuss some important daily use English sentence that we often use in school. So without wasting time, let's get started. बात करना बंद करो और खामोश हो जाओ. Stop talking and be quiet. Stop talking and be quiet. जब तक सब खामोश नहीं हो जाते हम शुरू नहीं करेंगे. We won't start until everyone is quiet. We won't start until everyone is quiet. अब खामोश हो जाएं ताकि हम शुरू कर सकें. Settle down now so we can start. Settle down now so we can start. हम 10 मिनट पहले ही शुरू कर चुके हैं. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? We started 10 minutes ago. What have you been doing? We started 10 minutes ago. What have you been doing? तुम कहाँ थे? Where have you been? Where have you been? ऐसा दोबारा मत होने देना. Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. क्या आपको समझ आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? इस सबक को कल पूरा करेंगे. We'll finish this chapter tomorrow. We'll finish this chapter tomorrow. अपने हाथ ऊपर करो. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. क्या सबने कॉपी कर लिया? Has everyone copied? Has everyone copied? इस तरफ का मिटा दूं? Shall I rub this side? Shall I rub this side? साफ साफ लिखा करो. Write neatly. Write neatly. तुम लोग कितना शोर मचाते हो? How much noise do you guys make? How much noise do you guys make? कल से हम दोहराना शुरू करेंगे. We'll start the revision from tomorrow. We'll start the revision from tomorrow. अपनी कॉपी चेक करा लो. Get your notebook checked. Get your notebook checked. किताब में कलम से निशान मत लगाओ. Don't mark in your book with pen. Don't mark in your book with pen. तुम्हारी लिखाई कितनी गंदी है. How dirty is your handwriting? How dirty is your handwriting? तुम्हारा ध्यान किधर है? Where is your attention? Where is your attention? इस सवाल का जवाब कौन देगा? Who will answer this question? Who will answer this question? कल सब बच्चे ये सबक याद करके आएंगे. Tomorrow all students will learn this chapter and come. Tomorrow all students will learn this chapter and come. कैसा चल रहा है? How's it going? How's it going? इस साल मैं आपको अंग्रेजी सिखाऊंगी. This year I will teach English to you. This year I will teach English to you. चलिए आज का सबक शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin today's lesson. Let's begin today's lesson. मुझे लगता है अब हम शुरू कर सकते हैं. I think we can start now. I think we can start now. क्या सब तैयार है? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? अब अब शुरू करने वाले हैं, मेहरबानी करके बातें बंद कर दें। We are about to start now. Please stop talking. We are about to start now. Please stop talking. I hope you got something new in this video, so do like, comment, share and subscribe.